Hi, welcome to English with Brian. In this video, we will keep practicing the first type of speaking question in the TOEIC speaking test. We are going to read a passage together to practice our reading speed, our pronunciation, and our use of complicated words. We are going to read this passage, and we will start now with the first sentence. Here, we need to make a mental note about two things. The first thing is that this number, 372, will not be read as 372. In an airport, they will probably say 372 because it is the ID of that flight. In normal conversations, some people might also say 372. But in an airport, 372 would be more common. The second thing is that this word is the name of a city in America. We pronounce it as Chicago. Chicago. Now, let's read this sentence together. I'll read it twice. After you hear me read it for the first time, you can read along with me during the second time. Attention passengers on Flight 372 to Chicago. Very good. Let's do it again. Attention passengers on Flight 372 to Chicago. Very good. Very easy, very short. Let's move on to the second sentence. Here, the only difficult word is boarding. That is the action of getting on the plane, or in some situations, getting on a boat. Also, the number 14 will probably be said as 14, but they might say 14 as well. We will do what we just did. I will read it first, and then I will read it again, and you can follow along during the second reading. Here we go. Boarding will begin in 10 minutes at gate 14. I'll do it one more time. Boarding will begin in 10 minutes at gate 14. Very good. Let's move on to the third sentence. In this sentence, boarding passes means tickets, like these over here. We also see identification. That is an ID, like this pretend ID right here. And the word inspection means checking or looking to see if everything is correct. Like last time, I will read it first, and then we will read it together. Let's go. Please have your boarding passes and identification ready for inspection. All right, now let's do it together. Please have your boarding passes and identification ready for inspection. Nice. Let's move on to the next sentence. In this sentence, carry-on luggage means the luggage, like the bags, that we carry onto the plane, like what this person is holding. We also see the phrase overhead compartments. Overhead means they are above your head, and compartment means a little box or a little thing that opens and closes. These are overhead compartments. Now, let's read it. I'll go first. Remember that all carry-on luggage must fit either in the overhead compartments or under the seat in front of you. Now, let's do it together. Remember that all carry-on luggage must fit either in the overhead compartments or under the seat in front of you. Very good. Let's move on to the fifth sentence. Here we see the word complimentary. We saw that in one of my recent videos. But we also see a new word, beverages. The word beverages means drinks. All of these things are beverages. It's a very formal and somewhat fancy word for drinks. We also see the phrase cruising altitude. Cruise means move at a consistent or steady speed. So when a plane takes off, it's not cruising. It has to finish going up and then fly normally. That is cruising. Altitude means height. So cruising altitude means how high up the plane needs to be to fly normally. Now, I will read the sentence, and then you will read it with me next time. For your convenience, complimentary beverages will be served once we reach cruising altitude. Now, let's do it together. For your convenience, complimentary beverages will be served once we reach cruising altitude. Very good. Let's move on to the next and final sentence. Here, the most difficult word will probably be comfortable. In my American accent, I say that with 3 syllables. Comfortable. Comfortable. Like that. Now, I will read the sentence. We'd like to thank you for choosing Skyline Airlines, and we look forward to providing you with a safe and comfortable flight. Now, let's read it together. We'd like to thank you for choosing Skyline Airlines, and we look forward to providing you with a safe and comfortable flight. Very good. Now, I'm going to read the whole passage. We'll see how long I need, but it should take around 40 to 45 seconds. Here we go. Attention passengers on Flight 372 to Chicago. Boarding will begin in 10 minutes at Gate 14. Please have your boarding passes and identification ready for inspection. Remember that all carry-on luggage must fit either in the overhead compartments or under the seat in front of you. For your convenience, complimentary beverages will be served once we reach cruising altitude. We'd like to thank you for choosing Skyline Airlines, and we look forward to providing you with a safe and comfortable flight. That took about 39 seconds. That's a little bit fast, but this passage is a little bit short, so it should be just fine. When you read this passage, you need to imagine that you work for that airline company and that you are giving an important announcement to all of the customers or passengers who are there. That will help you to speak clearly, and that will help your score. Or, if you're not going to take the test, it will help you to practice speaking clearly. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. And please like and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye.